Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the DNS server settings on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, click on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on network and internet on the left side, and whichever way you're connecting to the internet, you want to go ahead and select that. If you're using an internet cable, you will need to select this. If you're using Wi-Fi, then go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi. Here, if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to click on the connected network. So as you can see right here, I can see them connected using my Galaxy. So I can click on that. And from here, you scroll down and you will find change DNS settings for all Wi-Fi networks. You go ahead and click on edit. And here it's going to set to automatic, switch this to manual, and you want to choose the one that you want. Now, if you're using IPv4 or IPv6, you can even select both. Just simple toggle them on, and you want to enter the preferred DNS as well as the alternative DNS, and then click on save. How you can get that? You can use Cloudflare, or you can go ahead and also use Google. So I'm going to open up a browser here, and if you type in Google public DNS, you can see that you will have to type in the 888 right here, and also you will also need to enter the 8844, and you can find it right here as well. So 888 8048 into the preferred, and into the alternative, you want to go ahead and enter this and go ahead and click on save. If you're using the IPv6, as you can see here, let me show you, you will need to turn this on, and you go ahead and enter the preferred DNS and the alternative as well. And as I showed you from this as well, in that case, you would use these options: IPv6, enter this one as the preferred one, and the alternative would be this one, right? And for Cloudflare DNS, you can go ahead and type in Cloudflare, and this is basically what you would use 111. So if you scroll down right here, you can see that you have different options, right? So you can go ahead and enter it. So known as 111, as you can see right here. So this is basically how you can easily go ahead. So for the Cloudflare, you enter 11111, which is 4 ones, and the secondary you enter 1001, right? And that's it. And what's cool is that they also have alternative options that you can use, such as the family one. This is going to filter content, so other content will be blocked if you're using the 1113 as the primary, and the second, and for the secondary you use 1003. But that's it, guys. And for malware blocking, you can use the 112 and you can use 1002. So this is actually really cool. But that's it. That's how you can easily go ahead and change your DNS server settings on your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple, guys.